person asked a question to his guru. My workers are not true to me. My children, my wife, and the entire world is very selfish. Nobody is correct. Guru smiled and told a story. In one small village there was a room with 1,000 mirrors. One small girl used to go inside and play. Seeing thousands of children around her, she was joyful. She would clap her hands and all the 1,000 children would clap back at her. She considered this place as the world's happiest and beautiful place and would visit often. This same place was once visited by a sad and a depressed person. He saw around him thousands of angry men staring at him. He got scared and raised his hands to hit them, and in return 1,000 hands lifted to hit him back. He thought, "This is the worst place in the world," and left that place. This world is also a room with 1,000 mirrors around you. What we let out of us is what the universe will give back to us. This world is a heaven or hell. It's up to us what we make out of it, said the Guru. The moral lesson of the story is that our perception of the world around us is shaped by our own thoughts and actions. If we spread positivity and kindness, we will receive the same in return. But if we spread negativity and hatred, we will receive the same in return. Therefore, it is important to focus on our own actions and thoughts, and strive to make the world a better place through our own positive contributions.